Pew pew. Pew pew. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about fan badges, fan loyalty gifts, okay, and exclusive gifts, free stuff that you get from BIGO so that you can boost your fan badge. How cool is that, right? So in order to do this, I'm going to take you guys over to the BIGO Live app, and I'm going to show you exactly what fan gifts are, fan badges are, and fan loyalty gifts, and how to actually use that feature. Because a lot of people, they don't really know too much about the fan gifts. Okay, so let's head over to BIGO. Now, guys, please watch the video in its entirety, okay, because you're going to learn a lot. And also, wait to the end because I have a bonus for you guys. BIGO has rolled out rewards and tiers for your fans where you can actually reward them with something special for them becoming your top contributors of the month. And we'll go over that in a little while because BIGO has rolled out something really special on how you can reward your contributors with something nice, you know? So let's go real quick. Hey guys, so here we are in my BIGO back office to my profile, okay? And this is what happened. I'm going to show you a screenshot. Here's Greedy's screenshot, please. Here's Greedy's screenshot. As you can see, he has a badge. It's a fan badge on his profile. Now listen, guys. I don't know what happened, what BIGO did to change things around, but when I went to try to look to see where the fan badge was, I didn't have one on my account, right? But I do have it down here. And when you see it says fan group, click on fan group. Now you see your fans, right? I'm gonna show you everything step by step. So when you click on fan group, right? On the very top where it says my fan group, you're going to click underneath that, and you'll see that this is your fan group, all right? You see all these people. Now, my fan badge is supposed to look like this. If you look on the very opposite side of the name, you're going to see a little heart, a happy face, and a music note, okay? That's my fan badge. Now, the way that Greedy has it displayed on his page, I would normally have it displayed on my page also, but I don't know if BIGO rolls out something new because I don't see it up there. Instead, I just see this part right here. If you click on my name, automatically you're going to go to this page right here, right? And if you look at the swordsman, it says 129 members. Do you see my fan badge? Do you see that? You click on that, and it'll take you right into that same page where it says fan group. Okay, so we're going to talk about this in a moment, but let me show you what it looks like on your page so that you can tell your people where to go to click on it. Okay, guys, we're in a private room, so nobody's coming in here. But if you look on the very top, you see up there where it has a little heart and the little wings or whatever, the pink part? That is where your fan badge is. And if you tell people to click on it, right, they're going to be able to join your fan group. And it'll be an option. I'm going to show you now a different live. Let's go into Monica's live, right? Now, we're in Monica's live. As you can see on the very top, when you see her badge there, it says Be Karma, right, on her profile. If you click on the follow button, right, then you see I followed her, right? I'm going to unfollow her again because I don't really follow her. But if you click on the very top at the heart, you're going to see it says join by gifting 10 blue flowers. So if I was to give her 10 blue flowers, I will automatically be in her fan group. Okay? Now, this is my fan group. You see all the people up here. Now, if you look on the side where the badges are, right, next to people's names, you will see what level badge they on. The way the levels go up is how much they gift you in the room. So if somebody come in there with a high level badge of yours, you know that that's one of your top gifters. As you can see, I have people in here with different level badges, okay? Okay, so if you look on the very top, for the last 23 days, which is the last month, that is how many loyalty points I received for my fan badge, Okay? Now, even though I have 4,000 fans, I only have 129 people that's actually rocking my fan badge. When they come in my room, the fan badge is going to automatically appear because they made sure to get it. When you have the fan badge on, it makes a world of difference because then you can do stuff like this. If you go into your item bag, right, and you slide over, not on this very first page where it says tools, you got to go into item bag. As you can see, I have 31 loyalty tickets, right? I can only give those loyalty tickets to people that I have their fan badge. All right? And we're going to show an example right now.
That person.
Yes, he is.
You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to be
Say hi, Stone.
But what the problem was...
And then I'm going to send him those loyalty gifts.
Mandy was there.
Because, look, I'm going to show you how the fan badge looks. And I'm going to send it in bulk. Do not send them one by one if you have a bunch of them. Because it clouds the chat and they don't like that.
I know.
Okay? So I sent them all some loyalty tickets. Now, as you can see,
if my
right next to the number 38 is my shield. That's my family shield. And then you see it says Wise Plus. That is my gift badge for this page. And I'm on a level 20 because I come in here and I give Stone all the time.
You know what it was?
But as you can see, it's only good to give out these loyalty tickets when you have their fan badge on, because what it does is it increases their fan loyalty. Okay? Hey guys, so this is what I'm going to do. Okay? It's better to show you live what the fan badge looks like and what the exclusive gifts look like. Okay? So I'm going to go live. There's going to be people that come in, okay, to say hi to me, and I'm going to ask them for exclusive gifts. Okay? So let's see how that works out. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let me share the live. Hey, King Love. Hi, Mickey Mouse. Hi, guys. I'm doing a YouTube video, so I'm kind of doing something. Hi, Mickey Mouse, guys. Hi, Hollywood. Okay, Hollywood is here. This is a perfect example. Hi, Hollywood. Listen, I'm doing a YouTube video right now on fan gifts and fan loyalty stuff, right? Okay, guys. Now, listen. You see that Hollywood came in and she has my badge on? You see it says level 20. It has the heart with the happy face and the little music notes. Hi, Tiki Talk. I'm doing a YT video right now. Now, listen. She's tapping the screen, so she's giving me 100 hearts on the screen. She's tapping the screen. Hollywood, do you have any free loyalty gifts for the fan badge? Can you throw me a couple of those? And she also shared the live, guys. And she gets points every time she shared. Like, look at that. That's an exclusive big loyalty gift. And you can only send those if you have the fan badge on. Okay? So somebody has to have your fan badge on in order to receive those exclusive loyalty points on your fan badge. Okay? So that is what exclusive loyalty gifts look like. Anybody have any free exclusive loyalty gifts that is rocking my fan badge that you guys could send me? Just the free loyalty gifts. Exclusive gifts that are free, and they're in your item bag. Hi, Xavier. Hi, Queen Edie. Now, when you see it says set and a little thing, that means they're tapping the screen, guys. That means they're tapping the screen and they're sending me hearts and stuff. Now, look at this gift, guys. This says exclusive gift free ticket. Now, remember I talked to you guys that we're doing the Gala 2021? Well, that's what the free Gala tickets look like. And what that does is it gives your family extra points that you can add when you're on the Gala board. You know, even though we're really way down below, but those tickets always help, you know. Okay, so, and nobody has any more loyalty gifts, the family prestige gifts. Okay, you see she sent me a wine. Now, the wine, those are free tickets. You see Ben 10, that's Daniel. He has my fan badge on, and he's sending me also exclusive tickets. Hi, Usativa. Thank you, guys. I'm doing this YouTube video, so, so I could get it ready for later on. Okay, so yeah, that's what it is. Those are exclusive gifts that somebody can give their broadcaster, and they have to have the fan badge on. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So that is what it looks like when somebody comes in your room and they're wearing your fan badge, and they send you exclusive gifts. And those gifts, they get them for free from BIGO, because BIGO rewards you for watching other people's lives, for gifting the panel, for tapping the screen, different stuff that you do throughout the day on BIGO. You get those different exclusive gifts. It could be candy, it could be hearts, it could be anything really nice that you can send a broadcaster, and they're free. They're free, guys. That's the best part about them. They are free. They just boost your fan badge, It's really cool. Okay, so that's enough. Now, guys, we're here on my back office of my page, okay? Now, if you scroll to where it says fan group, right? And you click on that. Now, listen, BIGO just rolled this out. This is something brand new, okay? If you look where it says fan group privileges, right? Right underneath your badge, it says fan group privileges. Click on that. Now, that's going to take you to this page. BIGO just started this on the app because it allows you as a broadcaster to actually reward somebody for being your top contributor for the month. So let's say for this month of November, if somebody sends me a total of 3,500 beans, they're going to get a pair of socks from me. Okay, I'm going to message them. I'm going to say, hey, for the month of November, I'll probably do it at the end of the month, right? I'm going to say for the month of November, you guys have contributed to me over 3,500 beans, and I'm going to send you a pair of socks. Please send me an address, okay? Also, for the calendar, if somebody sends me over 5,550 beans for the month, okay, that's like 5 shields, then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to reward them with a calendar, okay? I'm going to mail it to them. The same thing with the t-shirt. If somebody gives me over 6,000 beans this month as one contributor, they're going to get a t-shirt with my picture on it and stuff like that, and my name on the back. And this is going to be, like a fan thing. I got some more stuff that I'm going to put up here. But if you go into your fan badge, if you're a host and you have a fan badge, if you click on that, where it says fan group, right? You click on it, and that's where you get to that. And you can change it. You can put as many rewards as you want. You can share it to them and let them know, hey, I got privileges for you guys. But I'm going to reach out to the people that have gifted me the most this month. And I'm going to let them know, hey, you won this free prize. Tell me where to send it to. And I'm going to send it to them. And if you click on your monthly distribution, it says tiers will automatically unlock once the person gets to that level. Okay? So that is a bonus. BIGO just rolled this out. If you have a business and you're advertising things and you want to reward your gifters with something special, this is a great way to advertise your business and a great way to send your fans something really nice for them becoming a top contributor. Okay? Okay, guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned a little bit about fan badges, fan loyalty, and fan loyalty gifts. The next video, we're going to talk about the heat list and the star list. Now, listen, guys, I know I told you guys I was going to bring you a video about the gifts, but what I want to do is that I want to show you the gifts virtually. So let me get a chance to recharge, a nice amount of money so I can even show you the big gifts. So let me give me some time for that. Maybe next week I'll go ahead and drop that video. But for right now, I'm teaching you all the other stuff. So I'm going to teach you about the heat list and the star list. And we may even talk about the rich list, because there's a rich list. Yep, there is. Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.
Pew, pew.